Hello, viewers, friends, and scholars. You are welcome to JoeNewton Online Physics and Maths. Yes, I hope you had a good day. This is our maths class. Now, let's look at the task on the board. Of course, it has to do with angles. Yes, we are given this figure and we are asked to find the value of x and y. Now, apparently, looking at this figure, you could notice that we need some theories or principles that has to do with angles and lines to solve this problem. What are these theories? Recall that angles in a straight line, the sum of angles in a straight line is 180 degrees. That is supplementary. And also recall that vertically opposite angles are equal. Also recall that alternate angles are equal where it applies. It may not be in this case. So these are the concepts. I also recall that the sum of angles at a point, that is a circle, is 360 degrees. And do not forget that right angle has a symbol. It is symbolic, that is angle 90 degrees. Now we go. Okay, in our solution here, look at this. We see that x and y are in a straight line, but both of them are unknown. Do not make mistake of assuming that y is equal to here yet. So let's look at the other side of it. Then we also have another straight line angle, 22. This sign here and x are also angle in a straight line, supplementary, 180 degrees. So let's start with that. Therefore, we have that. But what is this angle? This angle here is what? 90 degrees because of the symbol here. Good. So we now have that x degree plus 90 degrees, which is right, plus 22 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. That is angles in a straight line. Then you add these two, that will give us x plus 90 plus 22 will give us 112 degrees, 112 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. To get the value of x, this will go over to this side. And because it has plus, when it goes over here, it becomes minus. We have 180 degrees minus 112 degrees. So that x will be equal to, of course, when you do this like primary class, you have 180, you have 180 here, you have 112. 10 minus, put 1, put here 10 minus 2, you have 8. Here remains 7, 7 minus 1, you have 6. This has gone, so we have 68. So x is 68 degrees. Good. So the value of x is 68 degrees. Having found the value of x, we can now go to do what? To find the value of y at ease. Okay? For y, recall that this and this is also a straight line. Let me call this straight line A, B. Let me call this one straight line C, D. So x and y are in a straight line CD. So we have that we want to find y for y, x plus y is also equal to 180 degrees. Angles in a straight line. Always give reason. Straight line angles. And our x is already 68. So 68 degrees plus y is equal to 180 degrees. To find y, 68 will leave the boundary. So y is equal to 180 degrees crossover minus 68 degrees. And y will be equal to, what will you get? Y will be equal to what? 180 degrees minus 68 degrees will give us what? 112 degrees. 112 degrees. What do you notice here from this work? What do you observe from this work? What do you notice from this work we did? You can now see that even from what we just solved, we can now see that There are two things that are equivalent to y here by relationship. That is it. So, irrespective of the diagram, how the diagram looks like anyway, this is just a figure drawn by diagram. So, analytically, y is equal to 112 degrees, which implies y is equivalent to this angle plus this angle. Good. When well drawn by scale. Okay, thank you for paying attention to this class. I believe with this you can simply and confidently solve similar question without stress. If you need more extra tutorial or lesson on physics and mathematics, do not hesitate to reach me through my WhatsApp contact or drop message in my inbox. You can also do what? Keep following me on this Facebook page. Visit my YouTube channel at JoeNewton Online Physics and Maths to enjoy more. Thank you. Bye-bye.